What is a group discussion? An average group discussion usually features 10 to 15 participants. The panel signals the group to commence the discussion and from then on plays the role of a non-participating observer. This means that the discussion is not moderated by a panelist. The group members must discuss the topic as they deem appropriate without any kind of suggestion from the panel. The panel expects no particular order of speakers to be followed, nor a minimum or maximum duration of speaking to be followed by an individual participant. The average duration of most group discussions is 15 minutes. The panelists may end the group discussion whenever they want to. The GD ends in either of the two ways. First, the panel may abruptly stop the GD and announce the end of the process. Second, they may ask a participant to summarize the group discussion. Leadership qualities. In a highly charged discussion, one or two participants usually play the role of the anchor and also try to hold the group together in pursuit of a common goal. Such individuals could demonstrate effective leadership and score extra points. Body language. While assessing the body language, the panel primarily looks at eye contact and hand movements. Group behavior. This is usually assessed in a broad distinction: aggressive or assertive. Assertiveness is a rational display of conviction of one's thoughts, while aggressiveness is a display of domination through subtle intimidation. Basic rules and tips for group discussions. Always be the initiator and the concluder of the group discussion, then being a participant. If you are a participant, always try to be the most vital participant. Put across your points firmly and always try to get others' support. If the discussion is going off track, bring it back to the stream. Try to keep latest information on the topic. Be very polite. People may try to provoke you to get more points, but try to keep cool. Don't wait for your turn to speak. When the discussion is on, interrupt politely if you want to put your points forward. Keep a tab on the time given for discussion. Score points by wrapping up the discussion on time. End with a conclusion note. It shows your leadership quality.